Are you painting? What did you paint? Wow, that's nice. Wow, that's nice. You say hi, guys. I'm doing my painting. Wow, you paint the clouds. Wow.
Good.
Wow, ping pong. Wow, look at the camera. It's ping pong. Wow, who's this? Who's this? Ping pong. What is your name? 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 No, you're not ping pong. What is your name? Ikaw, sino ka? Sino ka? Sino ka? What is your name? What is your name? What is your name?
Ito kasama. Too much kempot. Too much kempot.
So for now,
Mag-paint siya, guys. Puro cellphone ang gawin.
Cute daw, cute. Oo, tito ni Amila.
Wow. Tulong.
Wow, farm kid.
Wow, what color is this? What is your name? What is your name? My name is... Dinosaur. Si Dico. Anong name ni Dico? Ellie. What the name of your Dico?
Saan punta?
Ellie. Say Ellie. Dico Ellie. Kuya JJ. Where's your kuya? Asan si kuya? Tawag mo si kuya. Kuya!
Nakaiba. Ang lahat ng nakikita nyo. At pinatay na nga po magagawa. From farm to table. Literal.
meron na kami chicha.
Kasi naman ng chicha. Cheers tayo dyan. Cheers.
guys, ha?
Ito talaga, di ko alam paano napunta dito.
Para taga-manage ng farm. Check ko lang yung mga updates ngayon. Ngayon may bago ng bago doon.
Napakura.
Tent na rin na pinatayo. Ito po yung tent.
Pe-paint siya, guys.
What of you? At saka ganyan ka mag-tour.
Ayan yung kalat niya. Wow.
Is that your baby goat?
Wow. Paano pretty? Paano pretty face? Wow. Uy, yung buhat niya yung goat, oh.
Take care of the goat.
Si Buster.
Gusto mo ng ganyan, Lee, farm?
Hindi naman siya tumatanong. So,
Uy! Ano sabi ng manok? Kuk, 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 kuk. Tiktilaok! Sabi ng manok. Ano sabi ng manok? Tiktilaok! Ano sabi ng baboy? Oink, oink. Ano sabi ng baboy?
hula. Aga hula.
naman namin kanina. Nakita niyo yung wala.
Saan planet?
Agot.
Tayo ng kape. Lee, sabi ko magugas na ng pinggan. Coffee tayo, guys. Hot water. Then, coffee stick. Aming kape. Lee, pasuyo nga ng gunting dyan. Yes, Nasa lamesa. Aming sugar ay equal. Kasi, para wala talaga siyang sugar. Tapos, 3 coffee stick. Hugas ka na ng plato na. Yan, sabay-sabay na natin lagay. Then, mix. Lagyan natin ng water masyadong matapang.
Camping tayo, hindi natin alam mag-discuss. First time ko na sa'yo na hindi ko alam kung paano lalabas.
Yeah, memorable.
Most.
Nag-decide tayo to live together. Kasama pa natin si Andoy noon.
Lagi naman kasama si Andoy.
Pansin ba natin? Walang kabilang pa natin. Sabi memorable sa akin sa alala ko. Lasing na ako nung hapon. Nag-usap tayo ng umaga. Wala yung alcohol para to make sure na tama yung mga decision namin. Then naglasing tayo kasi tapos na ako sa work.
Kalimutan ko ilagay yung sugar.
Ano yung mga struggles nyo na may baby na kayo? I think yun. Kasi
Limited room
limited.
there.
Like,
Hindi ka pwede mawala ng socialize as much as you can.
even that, kung ano lang yung pwede, like, hapon, kapila, mag-drive lang ng ating bahay kami, dito kami sa close friends namin dito.
Pero divided na siya.
Pero naging sa city, so after like 10 minutes lang kami mag-vlog, kailangan namin ulit sa bahay, then hindi na makapag-ganyan ng mga bata. Siya na yung mag-ibigay kasi kahit wala na kami buhay talaga. Yun yung nakakatulad para pagka nagka-ano.
Yeah, but it means like either like have 1 minute or have 30 minutes.
Yeah, di tayo
Sa slow
makapag-invite ng friends
morning.
over because walang sasalo kay Pete, walang nahawak kay Pete kasi
Nagmamadali,
ang hirap.
hindi ko iiwan
Eto,
yung mga
magandang
anak ko.
question to. Marami nagtanong nito
Hindi
hindi ko
tayo
ito pinili dahil nakita ko
maalagaan
lang.
ko
How's the
sila.
sexy
Sila
time
ang
with that
mag-work
different
on
now?
this
Does he have, is there a difference?
Kailangan lang natin maging thankful, maging grateful sa araw-araw. Huwag natin hanapin yung wala.
You're lucky to get it once a week.
Huwag tayong maiinggit sa iba. Be grateful kung anong sitwasyon ka ngayon. Kung nahihirapan ka man, may dahilan yun.
So, when people say
Para
when
mas
you have
maging
baby
matapang
stuff,
ka sa mga susunod.
it takes a while.
Minsan talagang parang nakaramdam kami ng kakaiba sa katawan namin. Pero natatawa
Kung
na lang kami.
magkasama yung panganay kong anak, alam ko
Wala talaga, wala
nasa maayos siyang
Yeah, no,
kalagayan.
it doesn't exist.
Lagi
People that tell you they
pinagpipray
do
ko.
it after having babies, they have like funny nannies. Just don't see how.
Huwag siyang matutukso na gumawa na hindi maganda.
Siguro meron sila na para makapagtagal ka.
No, you can't hide from her.
Naging maayos yung mga desisyon niya.
She's watching this right now.
Kahit nawala ako sa tabi niya. Be thankful every day. Be grateful kung ano man. Pasok pa. It's okay. It's okay. you. Kiss mommy, kiss. Kiss the mommy.
Bear. Sorry, that's a bear. 4, 5, 6, that's a bear.
Guys, kapag hindi kayo nag-subscribe, mapapalo ko kayo. Maghugas ka na ng pinggan, dali. Punta tayo oval. Dalhin niyo yung laruan, dali. Mamasahe tayo. Nakala ko po tuloy, Milo po ito. Guys, tingnan niyo naman. Parang chocolate. Yung pala, nagpapaint yung kapatid ko. Uy, si Ellie naman. Gagawin ko po kasi purple.
Partner mo, mismo na pag-usap sa akin minsan. Kasi parang nagpaparinig ka na parang nasa trabaho ka pa sometimes. Yes, work, no, that's the work.
Ano ba? Yes, purple.
Yung ayaw mo, yung hindi mo sabihin sa akin directly. Bakit sabihin? Parang yung
Asan si Rhea? Tinan mo, umihi yun mag-isa, oh. Kaya lilinisin nyo yung pag-ihi nyo. Huwag yung ihi tulok-tulok sa bowl. Nagbuhos ka ng wiwi mo? Nagbuhos ka ng wiwi? Very good yan eh. Good job yan eh.
Mag-aambag ako. I think, yung para ko, like, nakakalimutan.
Sabi ka, papakinggan ka.
So where?
Araw, sanay ako sa
Oh, circle.
Guys, I'm painting. Sabi mo, guys, I'm painting. Hi guys. I'm doing my painting.
sa harapan ng anak ko. Para lang, alam mo yun, para lang nakakatawa. Para lang,
Uy, dirty yan.
gaano ma-miss or
That's so dirty.
naiyakas ko pa din kahit papasin. Yung kakulitan ko.
That's dirty.
postpartum
I
stuff.
don't-
Makes it be around for a while.
Wait, naman.
Maraming changes eh. Kasi talagang
It's a mud?
Naman.
It's a mud?
not having a baby.
Oh my God, nanonood lang kami ng cartoons.
Wait,
Parang last week, nag-breakdown ako. Tignan mo na lang yung anak mo. Ganun. Diba? Kailangan mo
So guys, bantayan nyo si Rhea guys ha. Magawin to cook lang si mami ha. Ha?
ayun, tapos parang, hindi naman, aaliw ka naman, matutuwa ka naman, gagawin ng pakaramdam mo. Doon pagod ka pa din. Speaking of pagod, kayo lang ba nag-aalaga at gumagawa ng house chores?
Hindi kami superheroes. Meron po kami And mahirap siya.
Charming breathable panty liners every day for extra confidence. pH balance and may breathable vacuum pad.
Naylac Forte, food supplement capsule for lactating mothers. This contains 500 the quality moringa oleifera leaves. Feed love and feel loved. Where Naylac. Mahalagang paalala, ang Naylac Forte ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat pinagpapagawa sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Choice na lang natin yung schedule,
Oh,
talaga na
what happened na?
Yung Sunday nakakami sometimes. Kasi parang
Are you doing your paint
Monday,
pa?
pagod na pagod. Parang kasi
Yes, paint pa po mami.
yun big change siya. Parang
Paint pa po.
Sabado, kasi ganun.
Ngayon, wala. Sunday talagang kulang na lang naka-gear kami. Kasi nga, kaming dalawa lang talaga yung time namin sa bata and house chores.
Pero nakalala pa. Saan kayo madalas magpunta? But lately, hindi lang lumalabas na rin. go, we're trying to do something fun. Like, we go out of Subic, go to Manila.
Mag-grocery.
Nag-boating kami dati. So we go to the boat. We get on the boat, we go sa Palang, Silangin, Nagsasa. We try to look for places na walang tao. So pagdating namin sa beach, pag may tao, let's go look for somewhere else. Para lang makarelax kami. Pero for people that don't know Subic, napakaraming magandang pagkain without boats. May All Hands Beach, Masaya, Mamayan. Maraming magandang beach inside the bay na pagkain.
Who's Amila's favorite? Mama or Dad?
I think it's safe to say the person that has the boat. Nami-miss niya ako, pero we all know who the favorite is right now. Now, we're gonna do another interview a year from now, and then we'll just loop back this. Parang,
Siya na yung tanongin natin.
so yung tanongin natin next year, who's your favorite? Right now, it's definitely Mama. I'm second though. Not Andoy, not anybody else.
But
Daddy's,
Nanay Ray?
I'm third.
I think you second Nanay. Ayaw.
Yeah. Yeah. So I'm third. So I'm still on the podium. Where with that? Will you
Marry me?
allow me to do commercials? Well, this is actually interesting one. Because we did do one. We agreed that we're going to let her do commercials as long as it's fun for her and it doesn't like work. We don't want to, I don't want to say we don't want her childhood to be hindered by work. So we want any commercials to be fun for her.
Okay, ano ang age gap ni Greg? So hindi natin siya alam na ang age gap namin ay months lang. Parehas kami parehas kami join ng 1986. September siya. Kung nakakaroon ko na yung mga ko. Sige, buuin mo yan ha. So September siya, September ako. So year of the tiger kami dalawa. Pinanganak namin last year. Now year of the tiger kami. So year of the tiger kami.
Isn't it amazing?
Isn't it?
It's so amazing.
Tatanong nyo yung mga meaning ng tattoos namin. Naghahanap lang kami ng time and place talaga para makapagpatato kami.
Ito na yung food mo.
Talaga yung time.
It's your food. What will you say to mommy? What will you say to mommy? What will you say? Oh, ang cooking na nag-cook si mommy ng food.
Mr. Celebrity.
You say?
Mr. Roman, the
What will you say?
Salamat po.
Salamat po.
It's easy. But it's
Welcome po.
I know.
Subscribe on our channel. Sabi mo, subscribe. Say it. Subscribe.
Para lang magpa-picture sa kanya.
Dali.
It's weird when I go to
Subscribe.
sa palengke and I go to the market.
Big girl na po ako.
Look for you, the palengke, stuff like that. As well as I can. Yes. I'm adjusting well. More adjusting to being a celebrity. It's more difficult to be than
Mas ano kami, mas cautious kami doon na
Thank you, Lord, for the food. Say it. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Say
Okay
it.
lang, I like
Thank you,
get
Lord.
photos with me and again. Pero
Dali.
when
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for the food.
medyo sensitive.
Thank you, Lord. Sa food po. Salamat po.
Ngayon kasi nag-vlog kami naman kasi yung parents. So, decision namin na ilabas siya in public. Pero kung makikita sa yung pictures, sana respetuhin yung decision namin as
Yeah,
parents.
she's a minor and it's our decision.
Okay, ito, interesting question. What's with 5:20 p.m.? Bakit 5:20 tayo nag-air on a Saturday?
Madali lang yan. Kasi nung gusto ko mag-propose kay... Gusto ko talaga...
Gusto mo ng 4:20 na date and 4:20 na time?
Parang nakita ko date ko